these stocks, you also have NTPC that's in focus. And why is that? Because NTPC's arm, that is NTPC Green Energy, has filed DRHP for an IPO, and according to the draft papers, the company will only issue new shares and the existing shareholders will not sell any stake. Anisha is here with all of those details. And Anisha, finally a value unlocking coming in for NTPC.
Been long overdue as well. Remember, at one point of time they were planning an InvIT. The IPO was planned last year as well, but kept getting delayed. Finally, the company has filed the DRHP and they're looking at raising 10,000 crore rupees via the fresh issue of shares. 7,500 crores out of that will be used for repaying the debt, and 2,500 crores would be used for general corporate purpose as well as other needs as well. Remember, NTPC Renewable will be the largest renewable energy public sector enterprise as of August this year. The company's overall operational capacity was around 3,000 megawatt. Bulk of it, almost 3,000 megawatt, comes from solar itself, and wind forms a very small part, maybe 100 megawatt thereabouts. In fact, however, going forward, they're expecting a very rapid scale up of their overall capacity, and that's why if you look at the NTPC group's aim, they wanted to have almost 60 gigawatt of capacity purely from renewable side by 2032, and bulk of it will happen through NTPC renewable vertical. So that clearly becomes the growth driver per se for the company going forward. Even if you look at the last couple of year history, the company's revenue has grown at a CAGR of almost 48%. The EBITDA has jumped up by 48%, and the profit growth has been much stronger given the fact that the base was smaller. Overall, if you look at the company's profile, it's almost 2,000 crore kind of top line figure, and the profitability has been around 350 crore. As we talked about, it's a value unlocking trigger for the company, at least that is what the analysts are saying. The projected capacity of the company by FY27 is expected to be 20 gigawatt, and if you give that a very basic multiple of around 2 times price to book, the market cap of the company is pegged at 40,000 odd crores, which comes to approximately 40-45 rupees a share as per certain analysts. And I was going through a Bernstein note this morning. As per them, it is not the ideal way for for the renewable company to come out with an IPO, but given the momentum has been strong and the kind of interest that we have seen in the IPO market, they are expecting listing of NTPC Renewable to happen at a premium, and that is what the driving factor is. In fact, they say in our NTPC target price of 440 rupees per share, NTPC contributes, or rather renewables contributes, almost 70 rupees per share, giving it an equity valuation of almost 70,000 crores. So that's the latest on NTPC Green and the implications for the group company.
Thank you, Anisha, for joining us and for giving us all those details.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.